Today we talk about how can you enable phone notifications on your Amazon Alexa app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on device settings, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on Alexa on this phone. You just click on it, it's going to show for you list like this. You come here to phone notifications, click in this sign. So then you click here on next here. Then you click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So you come here to Amazon Alexa here, click in this sign. So then you click in allow. When you go back, then you will find it turn on with you here on your app. So like you see, it's enabled with us now here. When you just click on it here on your Amazon Alexa app. So that's all you have to do to enable it like you see now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.